Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision to life. Have you ever found yourself leading a team through change? Maybe layoffs, restructuring, new leadership, and wondered, how am I going to keep my team engaged and resilient through all of this? If you've been there, you know it is not easy. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic, navigating the storm of change within your organization. In this video, I'll share how you can cultivate a thriving culture and lead with purpose through transition. When transitions happen, they can shake up an entire organization. But here's the key. You as a leader have the power to stabilize the situation and help your teams not just survive, but thrive. It's about making more than just managing tasks. It's about showing up with purpose, empathy, and clarity. Let's get started with emotional intelligence and empathy. In times of transition, your team needs a leader who truly understands the human side of change. Transition affects people deeply. They can bring up feelings of anxiety, uncertainty, and even loss. Being in tune with your team's emotional state allows you to support them more effectively. Start with active listening. This means not just hearing what your team's saying, but truly understanding their feelings and concerns. Take the time to acknowledge their emotions without rushing to fix everything. Sometimes just being heard can foster immense trust and connection. Now that we set the stage for emotional awareness, let's talk about another critical aspect of leadership during times of transition: rebuilding trust. Trust is often the first casualty of transition. Employees may question leadership's motivations or their job security, which can lead to disengagement and resentment. To counteract this, transparency is your best tool. Practical steps to rebuild trust includes providing regular updates, creating open forums for team members to voice their concerns, and demonstrating consistency in your actions. This means following through on promises and being reliable. Trust takes time to build, but it starts with clear, honest communication that shows your team you're in this together. With trust as the foundation, we need to focus on one of the most effective strategies during uncertain times: transparent and consistent communication. During periods of uncertainty, people crave clarity. As a manager, you need to be that source of clarity. When discussing transitions, it's crucial to provide context, the why behind the changes. Ensure that you're offering consistent updates so that everyone on your team has the same information. This reduces confusion and helps align everyone with the company's goal. Remember, it's not about sugarcoating the situation. It's about being real, providing assurance, while delivering necessary information. However, communicating about change is not always easy, and sometimes we need to brace ourselves for challenging conversations. So you want to explore how to handle these conversations with grace. Ultimately, these 4 strategies: emotional intelligence and empathy, rebuilding trust and transparency, and consistent communication, and handling those hard conversations, are all designed to help you lead effectively through change. So here are your key takeaways. During times of transition, lead with empathy. Be transparent and consistent. Rebuild trust step by step. And face those difficult conversations head on with compassion and clarity. If you apply these principles, you can cultivate a thriving culture no matter what storm comes your way. Thanks for tuning in. And if you want to dive deeper into these topics, check out my other videos. Until next time, navigate the storm and keep your team thriving.